Bisa dimulai kan?
Sudah.
Alright. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. Thank you very much for giving time and chance to us, to our group, to show our rest of our discussion about past tense. And the member of our group is Andrian as a third speaker, Desmond Fariharefa as a moderator, Fatia Apriliana Yuda as a second speaker, and Jumarlis as a first speaker. All right, to shorten the time, we just go to the first speaker. For the first speaker, Jumarlis, given time and opportunity.
Okay, thank you for moderator. I want to describe about the past tense. First, grammar focus. Okay, simple past is an English tense used to talk about past event or activities. Past event or activities are about previous job, previous appearance, and personality, yesterday activities, and past experiences, and etc. Purpose of simple past to state an action to have happened in the time the past, and then formula for verbal sentence for positive subject plus verb to plus object, and then negative subject plus did plus not plus verb one plus object, and then interrogative did plus subject plus verb one plus object. For nominal sentence, first positive subject plus was or were plus three complement, adjective or noun or adverb. Negative subject plus was or were plus not plus three complement. Interrogative was or were plus subject plus three complement. Next slide. Okay, for nominal sentence, positive sentence, form subject plus was or were plus complement. For example, last weekend I was really sad. And then second example, they were in Spain last year. Okay, next slide. Negative sentence, form subject plus word, subject plus was or were plus not plus complement. For example, I was not happy last weekend. And then they were not in Jakarta last year. Okay, next slide. Okay, for interrogative sentence, first, yes or no question. From was or were plus subject plus complements. For example, were you happy last weekend? Response, yes, I was. No, I wasn't. And then, were they in Jakarta last year? Response, yes, they were. Or, no, they were not. And then for question word, first question word why. For example, why were you really sad last weekend? Response, I could go with my friends to the movie theater. And then second example, where were they last year? Response, in Spain. Okay. Maybe that is my describe about simple past, and thank you, and then back to moderator.
All right, thank you very much from Jumarlis as a first speaker. And now we to a second speaker is Fatia. To Fatia, given time and chance.
Thank you, moderator. Okay, I will continue the material. Past of be was it is used with singular subject John, the car, I, she, he, it. Where it is used with plural subject Rob and Tom, the student, you, we, they. Common time expression. Time expression. Yesterday, 10 minutes ago, last night. Yesterday morning, 2 days ago, last week. Yesterday afternoon, 5 weeks ago, last year. Yesterday evening, several years ago, in 2000. Verbal sentence, positive sentence, example, we drank siboba last night. My naughty cousin went to cinema last night. Subject plus verb 2 plus object. We drank siboba last night. My naughty cousin went to cinema last night. Negative sentence. We did not drink siboba last night. My naughty cousin did not go to cinema last night. Subject plus did plus not plus verb 1 plus object. We did not drink siboba last night. My naughty cousin did not go to cinema last night. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much for Fatia to explaining about for the second material. All right, this is the last of our material for Andrian as a third speaker, given time and chance.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Okay, I want to explain. Okay, interrogative sentence. Yes, or no question. Examples of question. Did you drink Ziboba last night? Did you go to cinema last night? Response. Yes, I did. Or no, I didn't. Yes, I did. No, or no, I didn't. Form. Did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Did you drink Ziboba last night? Did you go to cinema last night? Okay, next slide. Untuk question. My naughty cousin went to cinema last night. Who plus verb 2 plus object to complement. Who went to cinema last night? She or he or is my naughty cousin. Who went to cinema last night? My naughty cousin watched movie in cinema last night. What plus did plus subject plus do plus object plus complement. What did my naughty cousin do in cinema last night? She or he watched movie. What did my naughty cousin do in cinema last night? He gave her an expensive necklace 3 days ago. What plus did the subject plus verb 1 plus complement. What did he give her 3 days ago? He gave an expensive necklace. What did he give her 3 days ago? We drank his boba last night. When plus did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. When did we drink his boba? We drank the boba last night. When did we drink the boba? Next slide. Okay, characteristics. One, using a time statement that shows an activity that was carried out in the past. Example, yesterday, last, and ago. Two, the event is over. Three, using the verb to, it can be a regular verb or an irregular verb. Okay, next slide. Okay, thank you.
Um,